Alright, so today I picked up another mower. It's getting a little late in the evening, so this isn't going to be the fixing or really much of a troubleshooting video, just kind of a general overlook. So you can kind of see there's some sort of oily, thick residue. But let's look at a few more things. Let's check the oil. Oh, that's over full. Quite a bit of the way, actually. Going all the way up to there. Let's check the spark plug. Now I have already looked at all this, but you know, some of this is just for comedic or theatrical effect. Ooh, nice and oily and wet. But what do we have here? We have bunch of grease and grime, oil. Carburetor in this is definitely going to need a cleaning. There's no way around that. But let's look at the gas tank. Oh boy. That doesn't look good. Not at all. Let me go ahead and put it on the ground really quick. Got my trusty third arm in hand. Ooh, it does not look good. That is definitely a nice and wet cylinder. But just for the hell of it, let's go ahead and put the plug back in. Let's go ahead and see what it sounds like. I'm not going to start it, it won't start. Good thing I got another motor to try. Maybe this one will work. Looks to be about the same design. Maybe I can cobble something together. That motor over there is a little weaker than this, or is a little bit more powerful than this one. But all the parts should be the same. Looks like the carburetor and gas tank are the same. Lawnmower technology hasn't really advanced too much over the past couple decades, other than the overhead valve design, but I might be able to save that other block with parts off of this one. So you guys all stay tuned. Those of you who like my lawnmower videos might find some interest in these coming up. You will stay classy.